I'm getting better kill and better coverage with the Magro system without any surfactants or drift retardants than I ever did without the Magro with all that.
With this MagrowTec system is a savings of 20% on chemical materials, which is a huge cost in the farming industry, an absolutely huge cost.
With the reduction in gallons that we've implemented this last season, we're gaining about 8 acres per tank.
Not only have we gone to 7.5 gallon rate, we've also cut being a quart of Roundup down to 22 ounces.
Some instances we're cutting our water down by 40%. A lot of times we're running 20% versus conventional sprayer. Some of the contact killers we may be cutting 10 to 20% of the recommended rate.
What was really interesting with Magro is we're spraying out on plastic and we're not wetting the plastic. All the spray material is staying in the canopy.
$300,000 sprayer, instead of having 2, I went to 1. Cut my rates and do the same amount of acres with 1 sprayer as I was doing with 2. And I've had to cut back on my PICS applications because it's working so much better. That's the difference in making money and not making money.
We actually reduced chemical and water by 50%, and there's absolutely no difference thus far.
We found we were getting just as good a job with lower rates. And I grew a chickpea crop last year that got 1 fungicide for the whole season. If you've only got to do 1 pass instead of 3, that's dollars in the pocket.
Before I was putting 20 gallons to the acre before Magro. Now I put 10 gallons to the acre. Still don't have any weed problem. You know, it works. I mean, I'm telling you, it works. I mean, we've cut every amount of the gallons per acre we put at least in half since we had Magro. Instead of spraying 50 acres to a load, I'm spraying 100 acres to a load now.
A lot of people go back out with Liberty after they spray Enlist to get a kill because they didn't kill it with Enlist. I'm not doing that. So you're figuring you're saving the pass with Liberty plus the chemical cost. It's hard to beat. I bought 2 of them.
I'm able to spray 25% more ground with a tank full of spray than I would if I had a conventional unit.
Being able to take a system like Magro and reduce our rates by 25–30% and still got superior kill to our standard practices without Magro.
We're actually getting better coverage with less chemical.
The cost savings we're getting out of it every day are just mind-blowing.
With a conventional sprayer, there is times that we've had to spray twice during burn down to get a good kill before we would plant. But with the MagrowTec system, we've just had to do 1 pass.
Because they all got the same problem. I can't kill the weed. Well, I think you can now.
MagrowTec shines as a beacon, showing that with passion, innovation, and collaboration, we can not only meet these challenges, but surpass them, creating a brighter, more sustainable future for all.